Today we will look at funny clips of MELVIN farting. I will do a face reveal if you all subscribe with the bell notification on, and give this video a like, if you on Chad Wild Clay and Qwaint side. Enjoy.
I have one more gift for him! Oh no!
Alright guys, let's get out of here!
Exit through that way, right over here!
Wait, where?
What's this?
Oh no!
It's PZ9!
PZ2!
Hey!
Oh no!
Hey!
No, you jam! See me, PZ2!
PZ2! I'm sorry. I love you. Oh,
no! Oh gross!
That stinks! Oh my gosh, he likes it! I didn't mean to!
Oh my god!
I didn't know!
Go!
I'm sorry, Chad, take cover!
Oh, shoot. Ooh, I heard it. Oh man, what's that smell back there? What, did PZ9 leave some Limburger back there? What the heck is that?
PZ9 just farted.
No.
What is that smell? No.
PZ9 did that earlier.
Did he just drop some stink bomb?
I think that's worse than a stink bomb. I think that's a natural kind. Let's get some air. Let's get out of here for a second.
I'm out of here.
I'm gonna get out too, just for a little bit here.
Wait, 715's leaving. He's leaving because it smells so bad out here. This is perfect opportunity. I'm gonna get him. Oh my gosh, Melvin! Stop it with the farts, man. I'm gonna start calling you Smelvin instead of Melvin.
Oh man, it still stinks in here. I was hoping to be better by now. Melvin, you better get all your farts out before the leader gets here. You don't want to disappoint him. Oh, man.
Quite disgusting, PZ9.
Project Zorgo leader. Long time no see. My hand and my stomach.
Leader, I gotta get out of here. I can't even breathe in here.
Let us leave him to decide. Think of your future with Project Zorgo.
I have one more gift for him. Oh no!
Alright guys, let's get out of here!
Exit through that way, right over here.
Wait, where?
What's this?
Oh no!
It's PZ2!
PZ2!
Hey!
Oh no!
Hey!
No, you jam! See me, PZ2!
PZ2! I'm sorry. I love you. Oh
no! Oh gross!
That stinks! Oh my gosh, he likes it! I didn't mean to!
Oh my god!
I didn't know!
Go!
Thanks for watching, and comment down below for more videos, and please subscribe, with bell on, if you want to see a face reveal, and kick bump.
Kick bump!